Hey guys, Colin here, and we are back with another tech showdown, and today we are going to be taking a look at two tablets. One is the Huawei MatePad 10.4 and the other one is the new iPad. Over the years, Huawei has released several tablets in its MatePad, and now Huawei has launched its latest, the MatePad 10.4. This new tablet promises to improve your productivity and give you a PC-like experience, all without burning a hole in your wallet. To test out its capabilities, we are comparing the Huawei MatePad 10.4 with a 9th generation iPad. This is a 2021 model in case you're unfamiliar. For this comparison, we're taking a look at how the MatePad 10.4 and the iPad perform for productivity, entertainment, and everyday reliability. And of course, we're here to see if which one is worth your hard-earned peso. Before we proceed, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so because we're making more and more videos for you guys. Simply click the subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon so you know when we've come up with a new video. Right, now that we have that out of the way, let's go on with this. For productivity, we're going to take a look at these two devices based on our needs. With in-person events happening again, our priority is a tablet that lets us do our work best. That includes using Office apps for articles, scripts, and more. We're also going to check their capabilities for creative apps such as drawing, as well as note-taking. First off, let's look at Office apps. Since we heavily use MS Office apps such as Word and Excel, we tested out both tablets for these. For the MatePad 10.4, the tablet worked well for our needs as using MS Word on it felt like using a laptop, especially with the Huawei Smart Keyboard attachment. So for covering events or working on the go, the MatePad definitely fits our needs. It also helps that MS Office and other apps we need are readily available on the App Gallery, Huawei's own app store. For other apps, we were able to download them easily with the Petal Search widget. Aside from Office, there are also a wide range of apps available on the App Gallery. Here's a quick look at some. Another thing that helped with our productivity is the second generation Huawei M Pencil. For example, the M Pencil has the free script feature which supports handwriting as an input method across all system apps. With this, you won't need to switch to keyboard for text input. With the M Pencil, you can also add annotations easily and highlight key content at any time. This is helpful when working with documents and other files. Now for the iPad. While we weren't able to test out Apple's Smart Keyboard and second generation Apple Pencil, Apple's entry-level tablet also has a fairly similar set of features to the Huawei accessories, though there is a key disadvantage with Apple's product, and that is cost. The Apple Keyboard and Pencil are priced at $8,990 and $7,990 respectively. That's about 2,000 pesos more than the Huawei accessories. As both the MatePad and iPad accessories are fully featured, it's hard to justify Apple's offering given the extra cost. Cost isn't the only advantage of the MatePad 10.4 as it easily beats the iPad when it comes to file transferring. When it comes to PC-like device, we prioritize easy file transferring, especially if we need to work with photos in events, for example. With the MatePad 10.4, you can easily transfer files through Bluetooth if you have an Android phone. Even if the MatePad runs on Harmony OS 2, which is Huawei's own operating system, connectivity with Android devices is a breeze. And if you have a Huawei phone or laptop, connectivity is even more hassle-free thanks to Huawei's Super Device technology, which allows for easy drag-and-drop file transfer. With the tablet's USB-C port, transferring files to a flash drive is also easy. If you have a dongle like the one we have, copying files with the USB flash drive works pretty much like it would in a Windows laptop, thanks to the MatePad's file manager. So what about the iPad? Well, if you want to transfer a file via Bluetooth from an Android device, you're out of luck. For some reason, Apple still doesn't support Bluetooth copying from a non-Apple device. But what about a dongle? Well, you won't be able to as the tablet still uses a Lightning port, meaning you'll have to buy an expensive dongle for this. To be fair to Apple, transferring files between the iPad and iPhone or MacBook is easy. But if you're not already invested in the Apple ecosystem, it's going to be hard to recommend an iPad in this regard. For productivity then, the MatePad 10.4 clearly has an upper advantage over the iPad. Being productive is great and all, but you should also take time to unwind so you don't get burned out. Because of this, the next thing we're taking a look at is the entertainment capability of both tablets. Let's start with the display. The MatePad 10.4 packs a 10.4-inch 2K full-view display with a 5:3 aspect ratio and slim bezels. Meanwhile, the iPad has a 10.2-inch Retina display with 4:3 aspect ratio. Both displays are LCD, and in our time with them, the quality on both screens are great, especially for watching movies and shows. Though it's clear for us that the MatePad 10.4 wins when it comes to immersion thanks to its slim bezel. I mean, it's 2022, and the iPad 9th generation still sports thick bezels, and this can be quite distracting, not to mention it adds extra bulk. Another advantage of the MatePad 10.4 is its speaker setup. The Huawei tablet has stereo speakers that are tuned by Harman Kardon. Meanwhile, the iPad only has one bottom-firing speaker. For binge-watching movies and shows, stereo speakers are a must as they give a more immersive viewing experience. For movie marathons, it's clear that the MatePad 10.4 is the better tablet in our opinion. As for gaming, this is where the iPad does better. With its A13 Bionic chip, the iPad should be able to run games even at higher settings. In our time testing both tablets, the iPad can play games at higher settings, but the MatePad 10.4 can still run our favorite games such as Wild Rift and Call of Duty Mobile, though gaming on a 10-plus-inch tablet isn't really recommended. And since we don't really play games on tablets, movie watching capability ranks much higher in our entertainment needs. With that, entertainment is another win for the MatePad 10.4. Now we move on to everyday reliability. To start off, let's talk portability. While the MatePad 10.4 has a slightly larger display, the slim bezel makes it noticeably smaller than the iPad. Thanks to this, you can easily fit the Huawei tablet inside your bag, making it the more portable of the two. Along with portability, the Huawei MatePad 10.4 also has a slight advantage when it comes to charging. The iPad 9th generation has a 20-watt charger inside the box, while the MatePad 10.4 has a faster 22.5-watt fast charger. Thanks to this, the MatePad 10.4 should charge slightly faster than the iPad. Though when it comes to battery life, the iPad has the advantage owing to its larger battery. For connectivity, the iPad is able to seamlessly connect with Apple devices. On the other hand, Huawei is also able to do the same thanks to its super device technology, where you can seamlessly transfer files and even run apps simultaneously on multiple supported Huawei devices. Though, as mentioned previously, the MatePad 10.4 has much better Android and Windows PC connectivity. This means unless you're an Apple user, the MatePad 10.4 is the device that you'll want to get. While the iPad does have a longer battery, the MatePad 10.4 has the advantage when it comes to charging, portability, and connectivity. After testing both tablets, it's clear to us that the Huawei MatePad 10.4 is, for us, the better choice. For productivity, the MatePad's wide range of connectivity options, as well as its wide range of features, make it the better PC-like device. The same can be said for entertainment, thanks to its stereo speaker setup and better display design. Finally, portability and charging are other wins for the Huawei tablet. Most importantly, the MatePad 10.4 is more affordable than the iPad 9th Gen. The MatePad has a price tag of 18,999 pesos, while the iPad is priced at 19,990 pesos. And this is for the measly 64GB model. If you want to have a higher capability iPad with keyboards and M Pencil, you'll have to spend way more than the MatePad. All for a device that has a rather worse connectivity with non-Apple devices, as well as a design that looks rather dated at this point. With this, if you do want to get your hands on the new Huawei tablet, it is available at Huawei's online store and on Lazada and Shopee. And that's it for this really quick comparo video. What do you guys think? Do you agree with our deliberations? Let us know in the comment section down below. And with that, my name is Colin and I will be seeing you on the next one. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and as always, keep on gaming. Bye-bye.